In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a neon text effect in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to make your presentation stand out with a vibrant, colourful glow, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through easy steps to achieve that eye-catching neon look. First, let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your presentation ready. Once it's open, navigate to your PowerPoint presentation where you want to apply this striking effect. If you haven't already created a text box, go ahead and do so by selecting the Insert tab and choosing Text Box. Once there, type in the text you'd like to transform with a neon effect. Now that you have your text ready, click on the text itself. Doing this will ensure that the text is selected and will be ready for the formatting changes you're about to make. With the text selected, navigate to the Shape Format tab located in the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint interface. It might be labeled differently as Drawing Tools on some versions, so keep an eye out for that. This tab provides various options to stylize your text. In the Shape Format tab, look for the Text Effects option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for enhancing your text. For the neon effect we're aiming for, you'll want to hover over the Glow option. Here's where the magic starts to happen. Once you've selected glow, another set of options will appear, showcasing different glow styles. Take a moment to zoom in on the choices. You might see variations in colors and glow intensity. Choose a style that best suits your presentation theme or personal preference. If you want a bright neon look, go for one of the more vibrant glow options. You can even customize the glow color and size further by clicking on the glow options at the bottom of the list. This will open up a pane on the side where you can adjust the glow details to match exactly what you envision. Once you've chosen your glow effect, the changes will instantly apply to the text, and you should see your text take on that desired neon glow finish. It's a great way to add emphasis and draw attention to key points in your presentation. And there you have it. Now you know how to create a neon text effect in PowerPoint. Feel free to experiment with various glow options and colors to see what best fits your presentation's theme. This technique is certainly a creative way to liven up your slides and engage your audience more effectively. With these simple steps, your presentations will not only look professional, but will captivate and excite your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy making your PowerPoint slides shine.